Yesterday I heard it rain, whispering your name, asking where you gone. It fell softly from the clouds on the silent crowds. As I wandered on, out of doorway, black umbrellas came to pursue me. Faceless people, as they passed, were looking through me. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the skies, drinking in the rain. But your image still was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard it in steady rain, whispering your name, whispering your name. Asking where you gone. Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard the steady rain whispering your name, whispering your name.